All right, number 10 of the Math 3 EOC practice test, quadrilateral LMNO has coordinates 5, 6, 9, 8, 11, 12, and 7, 10. How can quadrilateral LMNO be classified? All right, so is this a square, a rhombus but not a square, a rectangle but not a square, or a parallelogram but neither a rhombus nor a rectangle? All right, to save a little time, I went ahead and graphed this. So if you look at these points I have graphed, you can tell that it's not a square or a rectangle, but it is a rhombus. So basically you just have to know the definitions of these. So looking at this image and then going back to the question, we can mark out the square, the rectangle, and the parallelogram. So this means that it will be a rhombus but not a square. So the answer will be choice B.